obvious. Let's have a look at the anagram in a sentence then. Here, all you've got to do is rearrange the letters in capitals to spell a new word that completes the sentence in a sensible way. So here are the questions. All right, here's an example question here. And what we should do is use the context of the sentence. Can anybody tell me here what this other little word here that is muddled is? Yes, it's quite an easy one, isn't it? And a lot of us can get this just by looking at the context of the sentence. All right. So actually, I think the technique here, in terms of the order that we allow our brain to work, would be as follows. Okay. First, don't really look at the jumbled words, the anagram. Don't look at that. Read the sentence. All right. Consider the context of the sentence. You should write this down on your sheet, please, everybody. Here, point 1. Okay. Consider the context of the sentence, because actually, I think a lot of us there probably knew the answer without even unjumbling the words. We just knew, oh, blue and, well, it's got to be another color. I can see a B, I can see an R. It's got to be brown. All right. Quite an easy way of doing it there. And we didn't even really need to unpack and go through the anagram much, did we? We just went straight into it and got the answer. So yes, absolutely, that's one way of doing it. The next port of call could be to write out the letters in a different order from how you see them in the question. There could just be something blocking your brain. Maybe your brain hasn't seen letters and consonants next to each other in that way before. And there might just be a bit of a, where you just can't quite see it. And you just need to change the angle. In that case, write out the letters in a different order, rejumble them, and your brain will probably make a different pattern, a different connection, and that might just make the penny drop, and then you're going to have the answer. Okay, so there's 2 phases that we go through here: the context of the sentence, and then, yes, unjumbling the anagram and trying to find out the correct sequence. And then remember, consonants are often needed between vowels. So if you do get a really tricky one and you really can't figure out the word, remember, you should try and look at a consonant, then a vowel, then a consonant, then a vowel, okay? Because that's generally what words need in order to be formed. Yes, there are double vowels, of course. Yes, we do occasionally have consonants next to each other. But in general, vowels and consonants are going to break up each other, okay?